I've created a variety of videos that walk through examples of C code to help learners better understand the language. In the following example, the program displays a list of basic C programming rules that you should try to follow. Of course, C has many rules, and it's common to make mistakes while learning. That's part of the process. This line tells the compiler to include the standard input-output library, which provides functions like printf for displaying output. This defines the main function, which is the starting point of every C program. Int means the function returns an integer to the operating system. Void means it does not take any arguments. The curly braces enclose the body of the main function. All the code inside these braces is what the program will execute when it runs. Each printf function displays a string of text to the screen. The text is enclosed in double quotes. A new line character, which moves the cursor to the next line after printing. Each statement ends with a semicolon, which is how the C compiler knows when one statement ends and another begins. This tells the operating system that the program has finished successfully. Returning 0 is a standard way to indicate that everything ran without errors. Now, let's watch the execution of this program.